leaves perform three main functions in the plants. First function is photosynthesis, second function is transpiration, and the third function is gaseous exchange, or we can say exchange of gases. So let's talk about these three functions in detail. First function is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of making food in the plants. As you know, all living things need food to survive. Similarly, plants also need food for surviving. So this food is made in leaves. Leaves are also called as kitchen or food factory of the plants. This food is made by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which these leaves make food for the plants by using some simple ingredients like water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and chlorophyll. Okay. Second function of leaf is transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of extra water from the surface of the leaf in form of water vapor. Okay. Suppose this is a leaf. ये क्या है? This is a leaf. Okay. ट्रांसपिरेशन की बात हम कर रहे हैं. ट्रांसपिरेशन क्या होता है? ट्रांसपिरेशन का मतलब होता है लॉस ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा वाटर फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द लीफ. जब प्लांट्स में एक्स्ट्रा वाटर हो जाता है तो ये एक्स्ट्रा वाटर लूज हो जाता है फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द लीफ. लीफ के सरफेस से ये एक्स्ट्रा वाटर इवेपोरेट हो जाता है. ओके, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर. ओके, जब ये एक्स्ट्रा वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर इवेपोरेट हो जाता है तो इस प्रोसेस को बोल दिया जाता है व्हाट? इस प्रोसेस को बोल दिया जाता है ट्रांसपिरेशन. ट्रांसपिरेशन इज व्हाट? Transpiration is the process of loss of extra water. Loss of what? Loss of extra water. And this extra water is lost from the surface of the leaf. Okay, ये extra water कहाँ से lose होगा? ये extra water lose होगा leaf के surface से. और ये lose होके कहाँ जाएगा? ये lose होके जाएगा ऊपर, evaporate होगा in the form of what? In the form of water vapor. Okay, समझ आ गई? So this was the second function of the leaves. Okay, and the third function of leaf is gaseous exchange, or we can say exchange of gases. Okay, these leaves also help in exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Let's see how these are helping in exchange of gases in the plants. Okay, so suppose this is the picture of leaf. Okay, ये क्या है? ये एक leaf की picture. Now we are talking about what? We are talking about the gaseous exchange. Okay, gaseous exchange take place with the help of what? With the help of leaf. Okay, students, as you know, there are so many small pores present on the surface of the leaf. Leaf के surface पे बहुत छोटे छोटे pores यानी कि छेद present होते हैं. These small pores are also called as stomata. Okay, these small pores are called what? These small pores are called as stomata. Okay, students, these stomata, or we can say these small pores, help in releasing the oxygen from the plants, and they help in taking the carbon dioxide inside the plants. So these stomata are helping in breathing process of the plants. Okay, these stomata help in the releasing of what? They help in releasing of which gas? They help in releasing of oxygen gas. Okay, and they are also helping in taking inside the carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere. Okay, suppose this is the atmosphere and here carbon dioxide gas is also present. So these stomata are helping in taking inside the carbon dioxide gases. Okay, so they are helping in the gaseous exchange, or we can say exchange of gases, where these stomata are releasing the oxygen gas in the atmosphere. Okay, and they are taking the carbon dioxide gas inside the plants. This process is called as gaseous exchange, and this process, gaseous exchange, is taking place with the help of stomata, that are small pores present on the surface of the leaves. Okay.